Haka khat sau tarik ukalaling kot arhaja Plie umenturang ba kejelau kot ke sangma ula play pait ba eka Courtyard hotel. Ka hotel Kaba na ki 5-star hotel haka jela mikalaya. Haka ni kesingu kot ke sangma ula penpau ke jing so kemen bo loong ba kani ke de jing sarong ya ke jela mikalaya ka blala ban play ya kat kani ke hotel ka bahe haka jingai lenti jongka ke basan postnem.
We are here at the Courtyard Marriott in Shillong and at the curtain raiser, and basically the project is now complete and formalities are left that have to be completed with the Marriott group. This project has been promoted by Maxim Infrastructure, and I would like to congratulate the entire team of Maxim Infrastructure for completing this project. It was a very challenging project, but I'm very happy with the kind of work that's been done and the overall quality that has been maintained. And this will definitely raise the standards of the entire tourism sector in the entire state and the entire region, as this is the biggest hotel in terms of the number of rooms in the entire Northeast region. So it's a big milestone that has been achieved, and I congratulate the team once again, and we expect that this particular project should be functional within the next few weeks time. We expect that the Marriott team will take over, and once again I congratulate all that have been involved in making this project a possibility.
This room is